Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this page flip video transition to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. Just going to do this one or this one. Just going to zoom it in. That's fine. So, okay. To add the video transition, go to transitions here and just search for flip. I think it's called flip page. Nope. I think it's called like book maybe. I don't remember. Okay, it's called page turning. Then you're just going to add it. Press OK. You can adjust the duration if you'd like to. Select the video transition and just select apply to all. That is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.